The Book of Enoch Made Simple.
Part 1. Before the great flood, long before Noah built the ark, there lived Enoch, a man who walked so closely with God that he was taken into the heavens without tasting death. The ancient writings known as the Book of Enoch reveal what he witnessed there: realms of light and order, mysteries of creation, the paths of the sun and moon, the turning of the seasons, and the laws that hold the stars in place. Enoch saw angels called watchers, guardians sent to guide humanity, yet some broke their vow, descending to earth, taking human form, and sharing knowledge not yet meant for humankind. They taught weapon-making, enchantments, and vanity. From this misuse of power, chaos spread across the earth. Enoch beheld the sorrow of heaven, the call for restoration, and the promise that balance would one day return. Enoch was chosen as a messenger. He was taken by the angels, carried through the heavens, shown the places of storm and fire and the foundations of creation. He saw the throne of the Most High, radiant beyond words, and heard the voices of countless beings singing praise. The watchers who had fallen begged Enoch to intercede for them, but the message he brought back was firm. Their actions had sown corruption, and heaven could not ignore it. Judgment would come, yet mercy would remain for those who turned back to the light. Enoch wrote all he saw and heard so that future generations might understand. His writings spoke of stars bound by law, winds held in balance, and souls guided through realms unseen. What he recorded was the revelation of divine order and a reminder that every act carries consequence. Enoch saw visions of what was to come. He beheld the great flood that would cleanse the earth and the renewal that would follow. He saw the mountains tremble, the seas rise, and the heavens open with fire and light. Yet amidst the chaos he saw mercy, for a remnant would remain, a seed of goodness preserved to restore the world. The watchers were cast into shadow, their power broken, their pride undone. Enoch was shown how justice and compassion moved together, like twin streams flowing from the heart of God. He saw the souls of the righteous shining like stars, and the weary lifted into peace. His heart was filled with awe, for even through destruction, divine love endured. Enoch understood endings are nothing but beginnings, beginnings wrapped in transformation. Enoch was taken higher, shown the realms beyond the stars, where wisdom burns like living flame. He beheld the watchers who once taught forbidden arts, knowledge meant for its time yet misused in pride. Their secrets of metal and star path, of healing and power were twisted. Yet Enoch saw that light itself cannot be lost. What was hidden shall one day serve the good again, when hearts are pure enough to hold it. The archangels recorded all, so that justice would be balanced with mercy. Enoch was told, the cycles of earth rise and fall, but the spirit endures. He bowed before the eternal presence, realizing that even the mysteries of the heavens exist to bring humanity back to love. He returned to the world of men, carrying remembrance of both warning and promise, that knowledge without compassion leads to ruin, whilst knowledge with humility restores creation. O source of light, keep me humble in all understanding. Let every insight I gain serve peace. When hidden things are revealed, guide my heart to use them in love, not pride. May I honor the wisdom of heaven and the earth that holds us. As Enoch walked in trust, let me walk in reverence, between the seen and unseen. May the fire of knowing never burn without mercy. May the breath of compassion never fade. So may the worlds within and without be healed, through grace, through truth, through divine unity. Lel Alam. Almain.